Hey, Pixel.
Hi, Pixel, of course. You pick now. Are we live?
We're live.
Oh.
See the little thing in there that says live? It says live. So,
Nope. Hi.
Yep. Top left corner. So, we're here with BoomChalkalaka. So, with the good old chalk art here. Donald's Chalk Couture team.
Yay.
And Pixel, apparently.
Pixel. Ooh, say hi.
We're going to somehow manage to get me to do some chalk art, which is... Hey, Summer. Hey, Joe. Hey, Will. Now I'm nervous.
Okay, stop tapping your fingers.
Alright, I'll stop playing the drum with them. So I'm actually doing my first attempt of actually doing a chalk thing because I have not. I've watched plenty of people do it so far, so hopefully I can get this right, but we'll see. So we are actually featuring a new stencil that Donna will be using at her next chalk night, which is this Saturday at 6 p.m. our house. And it's probably very appropriate for today because it says, baby, it's cold outside.
And
so,
it's like it was a snow day.
It's cold outside.
Woo. We went to Costco, but that was fun.
We did.
There was no one there.
That was an adventure. Alright, so...
Do you know what colors you're going to pick?
I know what colors I'm going to pick. So out of all of these colors, the 4 that I'm going to choose are the 4 that are already open over here that I pre-selected before this video
How
started.
convenient.
I know, I'm pretty convenient
You are
like that.
amazing.
Well, that's why you married me. So, and I just bumped how you had that set up.
I mean, that's how you set it up.
Yes, that's how I set it up. Alright, so...
Okay, so first up is what?
Stencils. The stencils that we have here on the chalkboard are actually going to be... which are we doing this one first? Doing this one first. Doing the mittens. So I'm going to...
Peel.
Take it off. I'm going to peel it off the backing.
You want to do a close-up of the mittens? Because you can... There's a lot of texture to them.
There's a lot of texture to it. That's what she likes about some of these. There's so much texture to them.
There's silk screens in between stickiness. I just heard stickiness.
So we want this. Do we want it partly off, or what?
However you want to put it. Remember, this was your design.
I thought I just got the fun of picking out the colors.
Nope, this is all you, baby.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure I've got it on there. So yeah. So the whole mittens are on there. I need to squeegee.
You can just run your hands over it.
I can just run my hands over it, make sure that it's sticking.
Put your hands on the mittens.
Yeah, too big.
That's what she said.
Hey-o. Alright, we were doing red. No, I'm sorry. Brick red.
There you go.
For the mittens.
So brick.
House.
There it is.
She's mighty.
Let it all hang out.
Sure we wanted to click that live button?
You're the one that did it. Every
I
time
know.
you pushed it, I ran away.
I know, and I understand why now. So, just...
Yeah, you can just smear it on wherever when you'll use this. You are such a brat.
That's why you married me. That one's a cold color. Don't use that one, please. Alright.
Just smear away everywhere. Goop and smear.
Goop and smear. Is that German for something? Goop and smear.
That's the technical term.
Product from the Netherlands is goop and smear.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
I warned her not to put me on live because...
None of this was pre-planned.
Because this was going to happen either way.
Okay.
For those who know me, I'm not really a people person, so put me in front of people is just awkward. Yes. For them, not me. Alright. I'm goop and smearing. Perfection schlag all the way here.
But you don't need a perfecting schlag.
Just
look, scoop and smear.
I thought it was goop and smear, not scoop and smear.
I can't handle this. I majored.
She majored in something.
I majored in BS.
BS was a bachelor's.
Of science, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Literally goop.
I'm gooping! And smearing! And gooping. And smearing.
I can't handle this.
It's not my problem. This was your idea.
You were supposed to do all this to use the big squeegee.
Well, why didn't you say that? It's just like goop and smear, goop and smear.
No, I can't. Okay, that's plenty.
I didn't cover the other mitten yet. So I just need to smear with the big
You
one.
need to smear. Oh, man.
Kind of hungry for a bagel now.
Right? See, look, isn't that much easier?
Because a little faster, not gonna lie.
Oh,
Here.
oh my
Would have
goodness.
nice to known that ahead of time. You think she would have taught me these things, but
You think you would have listened.
well, you know, the last chalk night I was busy cleaning all your transfers. So
They weren't all my transfers.
well,
It was a fun night.
yes, it was.
You
Yes,
guys
it was.
should have been there. And if you weren't, you have another opportunity. Man, I can't even talk.
All right, are we good with goop and schmear?
Nope.
Okay. And
Schmear.
schmear down there. The goop is there. The schmear is not.
Okay. Now that is a ton of chalk paste.
Well, you kept telling me goop, goop, goop.
Goop and loop. Loop. Okay. Oh.
All right. Trying to goop all the excess off.
And
Is that like goop?
scrape. Ah.
You didn't specify where.
Okay. Hurry. Before it dries. No. Before that dries.
All right, all right, all right.
Okay.
So, peeling.
And hoping. And
A
praying.
lot of hoping going on here.
They can't even see
Hey!
the reveal. You pulled it right towards the camera.
Oh, you're welcome.
Alright, don't touch it yet. I mean, you can. Oh my goodness. See what I have to put up with?
So, like I've got a little bit of smear. Can I?
Do you want to show them up close what the mitts look like?
I'm not going to show you me up close, but so I did a little extra goop and schwach or whatever here. So
How about you show them the beautiful part? So
yes, there's the beautiful mittens.
look at that. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ah. Okay.
All right, so I got a little bit of a gloop and whatever there.
You know what's really sad? I think there's like, hey, oh, there's six
There's
people.
6 people. That's awesome. I didn't think anybody would be
I
watching.
didn't think so either.
All right,
Okay, so, bloop, gone.
smear down.
Okay.
All right.
Now, the goal is to not touch the wet stuff. It won't take long to dry, but
Don't touch the wet stuff.
right. So maybe do the outside first.
That was the outside.
Oh.
All right, outside, where it's cold, baby.
Because we're doing it backwards.
Hello. Should not allow Facebook Live for anybody like
No.
us.
And I'm just hiding back here.
Why can I not peer this?
Peel.
Peel.
Peelies. Nothing more than
Really doesn't appeal to me.
peelies.
All right.
Yep. And he's placing. And he's still placing.
Currently, right now, we've got the gentleman here trying to place the outside of the bottom right of the. There we go. All right.
Outside. What color are you?
Aw. It was supposed to be.
I threw up my
Yeah,
nose.
no, I remember.
Oh.
I remember what I picked.
Okay. My advice: don't use the toothpick to smear.
Take longer than the little squeegee.
Oh.
So am I just using the little
That's what
squeegees
she
for this
said.
one?
Yes. Little
Oh, my.
squeegee away.
Back to the goop and schmear.
Oh my. What am I gonna do with
Now,
this?
this is pretty easy, I will say. All joking aside, I mean, if I can do it.
They can't see because your back's to them.
I can. It seems pretty easy. How about this? I'll do it this way, and I
That
just
seems like
smear it
a-
on my board again.
Do you need some help?
No.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
Lots of help.
Okay. Now
Okay.
scrape. Scrape, scrape, scrape.
It's like
scrape
cleaning the
on
windshield.
Alright, do you know what color that is?
Yes, this color here is aquamarine.
Ooh.
It's written on the side. Qua. Alright. So get rid of the smear. Alright, we're gonna peel. Hopefully. Maybe.
For the big reveal. Peel for the reveal.
So
Hello.
you want to pull it towards me then so they can see it?
Yes, that
Okay.
would be fantastic.
Fantabuloso.
Outside.
Outside. Yay! What am I doing with this? I got a 5-year-old mocking me. Great.
Well, you mock him enough.
Well, he had to learn it from somebody.
Well,
I'm getting hungry.
Me too, Kellyanne. Me too.
I'm gonna
Jillian, you want to come say hi?
have what?
Just real quick.
Just real quick.
Come
I mean, you don't have to. You can go watch video games, but all right.
Someone. Oh, hi, Christy. You guys are awesome. Yay!
What's up, John?
but we lost a person.
I think people have been cycling through. All right. So
Yes, I have a couple of Facebook pages, and I will post that in the links. I don't know how to do that now.
we'll figure it out. I'm sure.
Yeah. We're techie like that.
There's Kellyanne.
Who's suddenly shy? Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. So we're doing cold next, right?
Yep. But you want to put so peel the cold. Peel the
Oh,
cold.
it's peeling.
Do you
I'm
peel the
peeling
cold?
it. I'm peeling it.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And then put it close enough, but not touching the pom-pom. Do you know what a pom-pom is? It's like a little
Well, that's a
fluff
loaded
ball.
question.
What's a pom-pom with you?
I don't feel like that's
Lower.
straight. I don't feel like that's straight.
Higher.
All right. Is that good?
No.
Too late. Cold is there.
We don't
Just
want
saying.
air bubbles.
I know.
Okay. You're lucky.
No, I'm good.
Oh my goodness.
Luck is for the weak. No, I'm just kidding. All right.
Okay. Goop
Luke
and
and
schlop.
Scoop and
I
schmear.
don't even remember what it's called.
I think
Okay.
gloop and schmear sounds way better. And I don't know what you were trying to say, but okay. Trying to use a lot to waste her pace. I mean, to get it done quicker, faster.
Well, you just put a lot on there and then you scrape it off real quick. And then if you mess up, you can just rinse it off with water. Kellyanne, don't just show your hand. You're going to be a great poker player.
No, great poker players don't show their hand.
I know that was the joke.
My bad. All right.
There he is. Say hi. Okay.
There's
Scrape.
a million viewers watching.
Hey,
Say hi.
more. Oh.
Right. I got. Right?
I'm hungry.
Me
Hey,
too.
nuh-uh. Now
Yes,
is
he
not the
is.
time to eat.
I'm hungry.
This is real life, folks. All right, how many more times are you going to tell me?
100.
Oh, sounds about right.
Sounds, yeah, that's exactly right.
All right.
I'm really hungry.
Now, typically that's me saying that, but because I'm not, he always hit a fill it in the
Okay.
gap there.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm ready.
All right.
You want to watch?
I'm hungry.
It's about that time for a temper tantrum.
You?
It's possible. It's possible. It doesn't look as centered as I wanted it, but
I'm
hey.
hungry,
Hey, our lights just flickered. Did anyone else? We survived.
Mommy. It was
Everything's
part of the
safe.
snowstorm.
Maybe.
Yeah, it was.
Look at that.
Blasted our lights.
How cool is that? Woo. So it's mitten cold outside.
Hungry.
All right, now for the baby. It's.
Oh,
Baby,
same.
it's.
Yes.
Nothing else.
I'm really hungry,
I thought it was
Mommy.
cold.
I'm
Whoa.
really hungry.
For any
You
other parents
asked
out
how
there.
many times he was going to say it.
For any other parents out there, I was silent yelling. Killian. So why don't you get some food out of the fridge? Huh?
You got cheese
That's
sticks,
not the fridge.
applesauce. Yeah, that is not the fridge, and I know what you're going for.
You can have
mister.
an apple, a banana. Apples and banana.
All right.
Where's the banana though?
We don't have any bananas. It was just the song.
Why'd you offer it?
I was singing the song. Oh,
It's cold outside.
you know what we should do?
Oh, yeah, what's that?
So, we should totally give this away. What do you think?
Hey, I think that's a great idea. Can I have it? I'm making it.
Do you want to look?
Oh. To one of our lucky viewers.
Okay, but let's
That's
see.
a good idea.
What should I do? Okay, if you would like to win this amazing chalkboard
That
by
I made.
Lad, then share this video and comment something.
Literally, something. Just say something.
Or pick me. Or you guys are bomb
Or
diggity.
apple banana.
Or apple.
Or apple.
Comment apple
Or
banana.
banana. Well, there's your banana and there's your apple. You did get it.
Ta-da.
Okay, so
Alright,
he's
folks, it is all
scraping.
coming down to this last
So I'll come down to the
Spear.
last chalk.
chalk of the walk.
You can just stick it in there. That's what she said.
I missed a boop.
Oh,
Don't waste your paste.
okay.
Don't waste
Wait. Okay,
Hands up.
come here.
5-minute handshake.
Okay. So, big reveal. Lad's gonna peel.
For
That
the big
rhymes.
reveal. Maybe. We'll see.
Ta-da.
Whoop.
All right. So, who wants to win this? Killian? That is not a good choice.
Notice how the chalk didn't smear when he touched it.
Yes, and this is Killian proof. Like, seriously? That's one of the coolest things. 'Cause he can touch it and it won't get ruined. So, baby, it's cold outside. For those of you in Nebraska, it is very snowing and snow day. Anyway, who wants to win it? Anyone? And we'll make it so it's hangable. Let's get hangable. All right. That's a lot of singing for our live. Everything's
Alright,
backwards. Okay, so
What else can I-
baby, I think you did great.
Yay, I did great.
What do you guys think? Did he do really good for his first chalk time ever? And if he can do this,
Anybody can.
yep.
I'm a musician.
All right. So to win this, all you have to do is share our live video and
And comment apples and bananas.
All right. We will.
What we're having for dinner.
Thank you for watching.